Hi there, my name is Merv Evans. I own a business called Evans Video Productions. I produce investor DVDs. Now, why do you need an investor DVD? Your Honor, the defendant took the plaintiff's retirement money. Hold it, Your Honor. We got a DVD that says, do not invest your retirement income. This investment's not approved by the Department of Corporations or the Securities Exchange Commission. Consult with your attorney, your CPA, and spouse prior to making any investment. Investors not capable of 100% loss should not consider this project. Number two, who can sell you better than you? You are the best person to sell yourself. Now look, I wrote How to Become a Venture Capital Consultant, but I know full well that most folks can sell their own projects. They don't need any help. All they need is a roadmap to follow. Number three, you must convince folks that you have a credible and profitable opportunity. And the next best thing to sitting in front of someone is to have an electronic presentation that convinces folks that you're the right person. Are you serious about raising capital? Are you serious about raising investment capital? Give me a call. 323-301-0499. 323-301-0499. If you're serious about raising capital, give me a call. We can talk about it. If you would like to book your appointment with us, give us a call to my associate, Lynette Bigelow, at 323-455-1737. 323-455-1737. Lynette, what's the best time a day folks can call you?
9 a.m. to 3 p.m.
That's Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. I look forward to working with you. That's right. Well, we don't go outside LA County anyway. All right. We only shoot videos in LA County. All right. Thank you, Merv Evans.